together.
Anandana, I'm going to begin with you. We would like to know about Poonam's pop-up store.
Poonam's pop-up store is launching on Vogue, and I'm sure this is a great curation by Poonam and her another friend Poonam, so that's why the name comes as Poonam's pop-up store. So more of it from the horse's mouth.
Well, actually, I was wanting to do something because I love clothes, like every woman does, and I've realized that over the years people would keep asking me, where did you get that? Please get that for me. Can you get me the same thing? Can you do this for me? And as time passed, I realized I was doing so much for my friends to help them dress, to style them and all. So I said, why not do something which will, help a larger amount of people? So I went and curated this exhibition. So people can have access to really interesting clothes which are from all over the country and at good prices. That was one of my criterions, that designer clothes should not be out of reach for most people. So I've tried to make it as wearable, as buyable by most people. And I think it's a very interesting mix I have put together.
So what sort of collection do we get to see tomorrow?
Well, I feel a woman has so many occasions to dress for. She dresses for work, then she dresses for her lunches with her friends, then she dresses for weddings, for mehndis, for parties. So a man can kind of wear the same clothes and turn up at most places without looking. She has to dress for the occasion. So I've tried to cover all of those, keeping in mind that it can be smart casuals, which you can leave home for work and then also go to lunch and that, and then maybe dress it up a little bit with jewelry and go out in the evening. So I've tried to keep it as something which is wearable for most women, not just for the ramp.
So if one has to pick for the festive season, do we have very heavy stuff, or what kind of collection specifically we talk about?
Well, since the festive season is just around the corner, we are starting with Ganpati, and then we have Navratri is going on, and then we have Dasara and Diwali, and then weddings are happening and Karwa Chauth is happening. So obviously we have kept a little dressy range because women, as I said, need clothes for all occasions, and more importantly they need to look really pretty and very proud of themselves. So that's what I've tried to make the collection wearable, pretty, and also another thing is that most Indian women love clothes which are on the ramp and which is on the racks, but they don't fit them. The sizes are a problem. Size, which is not possible, and I don't think we should strive for that. I mean, I myself don't fit into the zero size, but I feel that's why I tried to keep all kind of sizes which should be comfortable. We've made sure that there'll be enough for a woman who's, maybe not exactly a size 0, but she can still carry off the clothes very well.
So another way, where do we visit the exhibition? Can you share the details? Where, when, what time?
On Vogue is happening at the Taj Lanza in Bandra tomorrow. The doors open at 11 a.m. until 8 p.m. So do come in numbers and shop till you drop.
Well, we have some men here, and I think let's have their point of view, since they've actually the people who've put together all. This is the team which has put together on Vogue, and I'm missing Jyoti Karmali here today.
Yes.
But these young people have put together this concept. So let's hear it.
What would you like to say for the store?
Well, On Vogue has created a good mark in Dubai, and it's actually a brand. People literally look forward to be a part of On Vogue. We planned to launch in India last year with 1 in a year. We landed up doing almost 3 in a year and 4 in 14 months. So I think we've kind of done a good job. And we try to establish, and we're very, very, very glad and very honored to have Poonam on board with us to launch our good cause line. So look forward to seeing you all tomorrow.
What would you like to say?
So everything is available over there, right from clothes to kids wear to home decor to healthy eating stuff. So please be there tomorrow, and as she said, shop till you drop.
Thank you. I'll just get off my phone for a minute, and then I'll just come right back.